Hello friends, so today let's prepare some lemongrass rice. So lemongrass, Malabar grass, Cochin grass, lemongrass oil, the lemongrass perfumes, you have heard it, everything. It's so fragrant, it has got so many medicinal properties. And I've cut the stem, the root, and then I'm removing the tenderest part of it to be chopped and used in the lemongrass rice. And the rest of it also I would be wasting it, so I'll cut the tenderest one into small pieces, chop them, and then pound them so that the oil in it comes out. Then I will keep it in and use it in two different parts. About half I will use it while frying, and half in the end. And this the rest of the grass I'll tie it together and use it in the rice to spread the fragrance. So now the rice has been cooked, the flame is off. I'll keep the grass in it, close it, and keep for 5 minutes. And after 5 minutes, open it, and the fragrance is so powerful. The fragrance is spread all over the room, and you can see the steam that is coming in from it, and that in that steam, that fragrance of the lemongrass oil is there, which has been used from ancient times. And in this I have used the gingerly oil. Now equal amount of ginger garlic, chopped ginger garlic is used. I have put the lemongrass, chopped lemongrass, half of the that I also have added in it. Now I'll add some chopped green chilies, as well as chopped carrots, and then fry it for a while. Then I'll add the 1 cup of green peas, both 1 cup, and 1 cup of shredded chicken also. And then after adding all these ingredients, put it on a high flame and fry it for 1 minute, because we are making fried rice, and for that everything should be nicely fried. The rice also, there shouldn't be any water, and it should be a little hard, not too soft. Then only it will taste well. And then you add the this pepper powder, that's very important. Then vinegar and green chili sauce. So I'm not adding soya sauce because that will cover up the smell of the lemon grass. That fragrance will be hidden. So that's why I didn't add the soya sauce. Now I'll add the rice. So 2 cups of rice I am adding. So that's like it's equal amount of veggies and the rice we are adding. Then after that, keep that previously used grass itself. You keep it after the flame has been closed. Now cover it and cover with the lid and keep for 5 minutes, so that again the remaining fragrance in that grass will come out, and it will spread all over the rice. The rice is the fragrance is so good, the aroma is spread all over the room, and the rice is so different from the other rice that you prepare every day. The fried rice, also the other fried rice and all that fragrance, this one is different. So I have put the pounded lemongrass first with the ginger garlic, chopped ginger. I put it with that, and the final one I had sprinkled in the end after all the cooking, and after removing the grass I had sprinkled the remaining. Now have this rice with a chicken or with sauce, or just like that also it is very tasty. So enjoy cooking lemongrass rice. Thank you.